And welcome to Lincoln School's Information Station. My name is Mrs. Cohan and I'm a third grade teacher. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve division word problems using bar models. Please keep in mind that there's two different types of division word problem bar models that you can use. I will show an example of each and I will practice a word problem for each type. So let's get started. As you can see in our first type of division word problem, we know the total. So here you can see our total is 45. We also know the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've divided it into 5 pieces because that is my number of groups. I am going to try to find how many items are in each group. So I would take my total, which is 45, and divide it by 5. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. In this case, there are 9 items in each group. Let's practice a problem similar to this one. A baker made 72 muffins. He places 8 baskets on the counter. How many muffins will the baker put in each basket? So let's look at our problem, and we know our total, 72. So we will write 72 at the top of our bar model. We know that he has 8 baskets. That is why I drew 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes to represent each basket. And now I've put a question mark for the number of muffins in each basket. We take our total, which is 72, and we divide it by 8. If you divide 72 divided by 8, the answer is 9. Therefore, the baker puts 9 muffins in each basket. Now, we are going to look at our second type of division bar model. In this case, once again, with division, we know the total. Here you can see my total is 48. This time, we know the number of items. We do not know how many groups there are. So we're trying to find out. See the dotted line here? I've drawn that because I don't know how many boxes to draw. But I do know that there are 3 items in each box. So I'm going to take my total, which is 48, and I'm going to divide it by 3. 48 divided by 3. We think of the tens column, and 4 tens divided by 3 is 110. 10 times 3 is 30. 48 minus 30 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times 3 is 18. There is no remainder. So in this case, the answer to my problem is 16. I would have had to draw 16 boxes, but because I didn't know how many to draw, I used the dotted lines. In this case, there are 16 groups. Let's try a problem like this. A girl has 56 stickers. She puts 4 stickers on each page of her sticker book. How many pages does she have in her sticker book? So let's look for our total. We always look for a total in a division problem. The total is 56. We know she puts 4 stickers on each page, but because we're looking for the number of pages, we draw our dotted lines. We don't know how many boxes to draw. So instead, we draw a box to begin and a box to end, and we know that each one of those boxes represents her pages. There are 4 stickers on each page. So we're going to take our total of 56 and we are going to divide it by the 4 stickers to find out how many pages she needs in her sticker book. 5 tens divided by 4 is 110. 10 times 4 equals 40. 56 minus 40 equals 16. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 is 16. There is no remainder. Now you can see, again, if I was drawing the boxes, I would have had to draw 14 of them. But again, I did not know how many boxes to draw. That is why I drew the dotted lines. When solving any division problem, just remember, you always know your total. You are trying to find either the number of groups or the number of items in each group. Use these two bar models to help you solve your word problems.